A proper inspection of the rotor is often ignored to save time. If the rotor is worn unevenly or is too thin, there is an increased chance of noise or vibration when applying the brakes, which probably means a comeback. When measuring the rotor, inspect the surfaces for discoloration and rust. Measure the disc for thickness and lateral runout. Use a micrometer to measure the disc's thickness. If it doesn't meet the specs in the repair manual, replace the disc. Lateral runout is the measurement of the disc surface angle in relation to the pad. This angle can be affected by uneven torque when tightening the wheel nuts or by dirt or rust between the hub and disc. Using a dial indicator, measure the runout. If you cannot bring the runout within specification, you will have to grind or replace the discs. If you need to turn the rotors, use an on-car brake lathe to keep the disc concentric to the hub. Don't forget, you're not done until you wash the rotor surface either with brake cleaner or mild soap and water to ensure it is clean and free of debris or shavings.